Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light? Yeah! What so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, the land of the free and the home of the brave. Who wants to try some cars? Alright, light 'em up, folks.
Yes, Kamish. Hello, UNSFA. Today we are at the trash car racing. Just kidding. It's your boy Ox. We're at a trash car racing event. Basically, what you do is you get trash cars. You run them in a circle on wet dirt, mud, and you crash into people. And Ox and Holmes, yours truly, we've been just raking in the dough. We might have actually got enough money to sponsor a car for free. For free. And our boy Brian Quappas, you're gonna meet him. He's racing, so we're here to watch him.
Try to make it bigger. What's happening, everybody? My name's Brian, and welcome to this world. So trash car racing, basically what it is, circle track, dirt, as fast as you can go, push everybody out of the way without injuring everybody. Put crash rails all the way around to save your car. You gotta have a roll bar in case you tip it on its lid, just in case. Inside here we've got an RZR seat, complements a Spike Polaris, 5-point harness. We even rigged up a handbrake. Custom pool noodles for safety. Safety first, you don't want to bang your head off the door. We've got 2 days to go. I'm gonna blow some paint on it. We're gonna black it all out, do something a little bit brighter out here. We're gonna try to make Ox and Holmes proud. Put her up front, put her up in the lead.
Same thing as applying a Brazilian wax.
Where's my name?
It's a one-man show anymore.
This one better not say Quappas when you put it on.
Red was a good choice, Holmes.
Yes. You know, it needs some bullet holes through some of the letters. We'll add those to the track. Okay, here we are on site. Let's hear this baby fire up.
Saturns are known to be fast. Huh?
Oh yeah, there he is.
Brian Quappas is driving 357. This 6-cylinder is sponsored by GX and Holmes, YouTube, and Dars Welding.
Oh, come on. What's it? GX and Holmes? At least you got the name right. Come on, Quappas. That man is gonna win. Oh, there's our man right there. Go up! Go up! Where's his helmet? Some of them even got their ladies on the front of the car. Hope she don't fall off. There he is. Yeah! We got him! Coming around the corner. Oh, he's got the van. Yeah! There he is. Oh! Yeah! Get him. There he is behind. Isn't this the best thing since sliced bread? Here he comes. Oh. Get him. Get him. The final lap here, he's going to cross the line.
Give him a hand.
That was awesome.
That was fun, dude.
Who's the wild man now?
Huh?
Yeah! It's our guy right there.
Oh, that's so much fun. That's the funnest I've had in a long time.
That's awesome. How you feel?
First heat race. Pretty nervous, I'm not gonna lie. Had to qualify in the top 3. We did it. Dose.
He said he was going to take out 41, and he did it right away. How did it feel?
Felt pretty good. They were announcing that those guys were the guys to beat, so guess we accomplished that too, fellas.
Bam.
All right, are we good?
So our friend Kawapis, he won his first heat, and so he gets to race in the finale. So what we did is we mounted a GoPro camera to inside of his cab. So we put a GoPro in his cab of his car. There it is. It's gonna get him there to get some side shots so we can cut back and forth while he's racing. Hopefully it stays in there, doesn't get run over or covered in mud. Look at these awesome stickers. All these other guys have been racing for years, and this was his first one. We're pretty proud of him. We're as proud of him as his mother probably is.
I'm the crew chief.
Okay, the night is falling. Final heat, 357. Famous last word, or famous, yeah, last words.
I don't know if it's last words, but we're going for it. It's going to the front or going to the scrap yard.
For lunch, boys. Ryan Quappis in car 357. Holmes and Holmes YouTube and Dark.
Final race of the night.
Second chance.
There he is.
7 cars.
That van's tough. He's got to take the van out.
Winner take all.
And he's got to take out 41, just like he did last time.
All right, this is going to be your loudest countdown of the night, boys and girls. 5,
4, 3, 2,
win some.
I had the wheel turn, but he just spun clear enough. Anyhow, sorry for the bad showing, folks. You have to stay tuned for part 2 in August.
Yeah,
you can do.
Part deuce.
It's racing.
It's on the trailer, ready to go. Ready to go back to the shop. Next time our faces will be on it. Fun time was had by all. He ain't first, you're last. And he wasn't first, but he's not last. He's first in our books. Everyone's a winner. Go big or go home. Take no prisoners, go deep. Laugh like no one's listening. Dance like no one's watching. Love like you've never been hurt before. And fart like no one else is in the room, but actually there's someone behind you that just walked in. Sorry.
Show your time with us tonight at Trash Car.
That was oddly entertaining. Like, it's fun, it's good, it's redneck, but that's a good time. I'm not gonna lie, it's a good time.
I don't care who you are, that was good.
And Power Sports, they do it all. They're in date night at home, 10 miles west of Preston. 208, 406, 81.
I don't know what a cheesy grin is. Hello, world. Do you look in the camera?
Yeah.
Look right into it?
Yeah. Pump us up like you were gonna win. You're gonna mess people up. Just like you drank a Red Bull.
Okay.
Your name's kind of, man, I had a trip. Kind of like the Batman and Robin films when they do like the sound effects. Quampus.
What?
Bang, zow, quampus. Are those pool noodles?
Safety first, Holmes. Give us a thumbs up or something.
If you ain't first, you last. It has the number of subscribers on the side of it.
Careful.
Official word. And the rest of the cars, that dirt's hungry tonight, folks.
He just went too fast, and the dirt ate it. Dirt's hungry tonight. It ate those cars up, tell you what.
And I haven't seen a single Trump hat.
Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave over the man